Click on the link below to get price. The ALORAIR Sentinel HD90 Crawl Space Dehumidifier Bundle is a robust solution designed for efficiently managing humidity levels in your crawl space or basement. With its commercial-grade performance, this model stands out due to its impressive capabilities and thoughtful design. Right out of the box, the Sentinel HD90 impresses with its solid construction and sleek design. This dehumidifier can remove up to 90 pints of moisture per day, making it suitable for areas up to 2,600 square feet, which is perfect for larger crawl spaces. The energy-efficient operation is another highlight. It operates at a low energy cost and has an ENERGY STAR certification, ensuring that you can manage humidity without inflating your utility bills. One of the standout features is the built-in pump, which automatically expels water, eliminating the need for manual drainage. This functionality is particularly useful in settings where a gravity drain isn't feasible. The unit also features a digital humidistat that allows for precise humidity control, ensuring optimal settings for preventing mold and mildew growth. The package includes essential accessories such as a 25-foot drainage hose, allowing for flexible installation options. Setting up the dehumidifier is relatively straightforward, thanks to the detailed instructions provided. The compact design allows for placement in tight spaces, and the durable wheels make it easy to move if needed. In terms of noise levels, the Sentinel HD90 operates quietly, making it suitable for residential areas without causing disturbance. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality and reduced dampness in their spaces after installation. Overall, the ALORAIR Sentinel HD90 Crawl Space Dehumidifier Bundle is an excellent investment for those battling humidity issues. Its combination of powerful performance, efficiency, and user-friendly features makes it a top choice for homeowners and contractors alike. Whether for residential or commercial use, it provides reliable moisture control that protects your property and enhances indoor air quality.